So
that.
hold it there.
Yep.
Now hold on to it tight.
Yep.
Now drop it down, hit it on the ground, hit the whole box on, so you drop the bees down so you don't crush it, but you want to keep this in your hand too, because you got to put that over it so no bees come out. So shake it so no bees are on it. Okay, good. Now pull it right out. Right, now secure it. So just leave it. Okay, let me hold that.
Yep. Got a couple stragglers.
Right. All right, so now we need to take this off.
Yep.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on to that. Don't let that go down now. Okay? So shake it. So shake it good so all the bees come off it. And now pull it out quickly. That's the queen. Yep, not all the bees came off it, so that's all right.
That's all right.
So now, flip it on its side, and there's going to be a cork on the bottom.
That one?
Nope, on the bottom.
Oh,
Yep,
one?
right there.
Yep.
So you want to pop that cork off. Here. Pop that cork out. Okay, good. Now, let's take, this is where this staple, take that staple, hold on, let go. Take that in, and just carefully put it in. You don't want to go too far, you want to kind of just scratch the candy, so that gives them a little
incentive to
Yep.
go and eat it, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
like
now, let's move this out of the way.
Yep. They're actually pretty chill, believe it or not.
Right now they are.
Yeah.
So now you want to put the queen in between there,
You just
but
drop
you
it
want to
down?
put, nope, you want to hold it up,
Yep.
dangle it in, and you want the face of it facing the front of the hive.
Like this.
But no, you got to hold on to that black.
Yep.
No, put it up on top. You want it like this.
Okay.
We want it like this.
Yep.
Okay. So open the frames up a little bit.
And then just like what? Put it
No,
down there?
right there. That's about as far down as you want. You don't want it any further than that. Right there. All right. Let's hopefully that doesn't. Only because that's not tight.
Do you want me to put a...
Maybe we put another frame in there. Hold on. That might hold it. That should hold it. There you go.
There you go.
All right, there we go. All right, now take the package up.
Yeah. Let me put the top.
Let's put this on the funnel.
Yep.
All right. Now you're gonna take this off
Yep.
quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Dump it upside down, and what they say, shake it.
Yeah.
And you're gonna shake every bee out of there.
Okay.
So put it right upside down and shake them all out. So pound on the edges. Like pound it, hit it hard. Yep. Yep. Just keep on doing that until they're all out.
Yeah, they're pumped with that, huh?
Yeah, they're
they really like that.
well, look at it. It's a little cool out, so they're fine.
Yeah. Come on. Will they fly out too if you just leave it?
Well, we're gonna put it in front of the. We'll put it in front of the hive after.
Yeah, some of them are just like really.
Yeah, you gotta really hit it hard. Come on, girls, go down.
Like we don't want to go. They're actually pretty sticky, huh?
Yeah.
They stick to each other.
I mean,
pretty
you already
good.
got a couple in there.
Yeah.
That's good right there for now.
Okay.
All right. So, just put that down in the front. I don't want them to climb up. Let's go down, girls. All right, so we got to get all the bees off of this.
Yep.
So you may want to just kind of carefully,
Like brush them in.
no, not even brush them in. Just take this kind of sideways and give it a good shake. You don't want to, you don't want to squish them. Yeah, maybe brush them down because you don't want to squish any of them. Just brush them down and in. All right, take that right off. Put this inner cover on. We're gonna put that back on in a
I
second.
know, I just don't want to crush them.
That's fine. You'll be all right.
Well,
Put that down
they'll be dead.
right on top of them. Yep. Okay. So let's put this on top of that.
Yep.
Grab your sugar water. Put it right on the inside. So we could take this one too and get 2 small sticks, and we'll put this one in there also.
Okay.
This is the one that came with it, so. Yeah, just put it right over the hole. Put it right over the entrance of the hole.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's it. Let's take the top cover. Take that cover.
Yep.
Put it right on top.
All right.
That's all she wrote.
We gotta.
Yeah, we just got to get a piece of tape. Take that tape that you have right there. Tape that up so nobody goes in and nobody comes out. It forces them down into the regular entrance, and then we got the small entrance reducer on there that protects, so they could protect the hive from any other bees coming in and trying to take their resources.
Yep.
And that should do it.
Cool.
We got a rock and put it on top of it so it holds the cover down so wind doesn't kind of blow it off.